Karabo here. This week we will be discussing 8 tips to delegate your way to freedom. Last week we started from tip 1 to 4, and this week we complete 5 to 8. So tip number 5.
People need to know if they are making progress.
Tip number 6.
You need to make sure you're available for follow-up discussions whenever your recipient has a question about how to complete the task.
Tip number 7.
Encourage ownership by giving employees some latitude in figuring out solutions for themselves. This will increase productivity and build trust.
And last but not least, tip number 8.
Don't pile on too much work, or else you risk resentment and a lower quality of work.
Don't forget to like, comment, share on all of our social media platforms. Make sure that you are following us so that you are able to get your notifications every single time that we post, as we are on this journey to master the art of delegation.